Today raining, guys, so come on, bro. You know, at the end of the day, I still gotta go to work. Work is work. So, you know what I did? Basically just tighten up everything. Just tighten up everything, honestly. You know, I still gotta go to work in the rain. I just really just make sure my bike basically just make sure my bike, I just did this because I did some research. I ain't gonna lie, chat GBT be becoming a clutch, but I didn't use chat GBT. I use can't remember. I think I use Go. Yeah, I think I use Go. I can't remember. I think it's Go. I use. But yeah. Basically, I make sure my battery is alright. Oh shit. I had to use this to keep the bike not wet, but like, you know, to keep it basically not wet. Ooh, so raining today. There we go. Yeah, but you know, I gotta do what I gotta do. Ooh. Whoa. A lot of water. Still gotta be careful though. That's all. But yeah. Yeah. But at the end of the day, I gotta make it. Bills don't stop. So it is what it is. Excuse me. Oh damn, time was gonna go. Fuck. I had to put a bag right beside my stuff, but it is what it is. I feel like the road's more freaking better than sidewalks. I mean, yeah. Got water everywhere, bro. Okay. Nope. Alright. Ooh, I forgot. I'll pull the brake. I almost freaking fell. Ooh, it is raining. You know what? I forgot to put my watch on waterproof. Oh, it is on. I forgot. Oh, shoot. You want to go biking? Gotta have you a waterproof bike. Rain like crazy up here in Deerfield. My pants is soaking wet, bro. Oh damn. Let me get the sidewalk. It's like flooded over there. I'm gonna have to change my brakes after this. Yeah, bro. I have waterproof this whole bike. At the end of the day, I still gotta get to work. It's crazy, but I'm not even here yet, bro. I'm almost there. Well, not even almost there. I want to say almost there. At least it's gonna be some good content for you guys, though. Where can we go? Go ahead, bro. I gotta go across. Yeah, I do. But nobody's on this side, so this is good news for me. Let me hurry up before a car comes. Oh fuck, I did not see that big old splash. Come on, car. I did not see that big splash, guys. Go this way. Yeah, bro, I got plastic bags all around this bike. It is funny. mean, you can go in front of me. You don't have to like. Oh, okay. He was on his phone, of course. Oh. You know what they should make, or America should make for sidewalks? They should have like a whole, like a roof under sidewalks. Basically, like a whole roof. I don't know if you guys can see me. Let me wipe y'all. But yeah, like a sidewalk roof. So it just goes down the sidewalk. You know what country that would do something like that, though? I feel like China would do something like that. They'll have like a whole sidewalk. But if it rains, you can still walk or ride your bike. You just have to be on the sidewalk roof. That would be crazy. Yo, bro. So crazy part is, I almost got freaking hit by a freaking car. There's a mother. Ooh, that car just made me mad. I gotta slow down over here though. Yep. I'll tell me stop. The heck? I don't know why the stop sign say stop sometimes. Maybe because it's a car over the line or something like that. Because it says green still, so I'm like, that's weird. Maybe that. Yeah, so I'm going to work all soaking up. I don't want to run this man over. Like this rain in Florida, it's supposed to be cold, but it's actually warm. So that's why I don't really vibe riding in the rain in Florida. But when you get inside the building, oh, I'm a freeze, bro.